Alright, this is for November 21st, 2024. It's, it's Thursday. We're about 1:30 p.m. We got white skies and snow. We had some snow this morning. Yeah, I think we're going to have more snow later tonight, I think. Yeah, probably not, though. I don't know. Alright. Yeah, that's way back there. Alright. We're at 30 degrees right now. Pretty cold, I think. Not I think. It is cold. Skies look like they're trying to clear up, though. Better head on back in. It's pretty windy. Winds are blowing from the north. Straight from the north. Some cold winds, too. How y'all doing today? Y'all doing alright? Hope so. And of course I'm doing okay. Checking out today's sky. It is cold. And yeah, no sun today. I shall talk to y'all later. Oh yeah, keep your eyes in the skies. Keep looking up. This will be it for now. Oh boy, it's windy.